Hi guys. In this video, I will show you how to control your text title animation in Filmora 9. At the end of this video, you will be able to create your own amazing text title with Filmora 9 built-in animation quickly. To control the animation of your title, double-click on the title, select Advanced tab. Now you can control your title animation with this animation slider. You can adjust the animation by moving both ends of the slider. Being noticed that, the title animation also depends on the animation type you select, as well as the duration of the title on the timeline. Let's see how to control the animation of preset titles of Filmora. This sample includes two parts, a preset video, and animated texts. Being noticed that you can't customize the preset video as it is already a video format. You can only resize it, or select animation for the whole video. So the thing you can customize here, are the animated texts only. Use the animation slider to decide which part appear first, and how the text appear, and disappear. That's how you can control your title animation with Filmora 9. If you have any question, leave your comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new here. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next videos. Bye for now.